This course has been amazing, a wonderfully packed sessions with a lot of learning.
It actually gave me a platform to start the veneers without any hesitation. And I also should thank Team RSD.
Since it's a high-end course, and I think pan-India, they are competing with anyone, RSD.
Dr. Aslam Inamdar and Dr. Mithunjit have shown a beautiful case.
During this course, all these eminent doctors came to learn from Dr. Aslam and his team. I'm here with this beautiful smile. I can proudly say that I have a smile score of 10. I have no jaw clenching anymore, which I'm really happy about.